welcome. Thank you for being here. You are very welcome to join me. I am Ram, and this is Meditate with Ram, our peaceful little corner of the internet, bravely surviving amongst adverts and algorithms and the clickbait videos that say, hey, you won't believe what happens next. No, this is just a space for Buddhist meditation. Today we're exploring impermanence, one of the most central, liberating and occasionally inconvenient teachings of Buddhism. If you've been following the series, welcome back. If you haven't, well, everything is impermanent, including linear order, so you're fine. Impermanence simply means everything changes. Nothing stays the same, and that's not a problem. That is the Buddhist path. It's the reason flowers bloom and children grow, heartbreak heals, and why your favourite TV show eventually gets cancelled just when it was getting good. The same reason why our car eventually fails and falls apart is the same reason why grief gets easier. Everything changes. And this is a meditation about embracing change. So if you're ready, we can adopt a comfortable posture. Sitting upright, cross-legged if you wish, or in whatever position doesn't make your spine start whispering threats. Comfort is queen. And as always, avoid driving, operating heavy machinery, or attempting to multitask your way through the meditation. It won't work. If you're caring for others right now, perhaps save this for later. I'll be here. I'm very patient. I'm basically a digital monk. So allowing the eyes to close, bringing awareness to the breath. Feeling the gentle rise and fall of the body. Noticing the breath as it comes and goes. Already a perfect example of impermanence. Every inhale appears, stays for a moment, and dissolves. Every exhale leaves, making space for the next. Good, so sitting with the breath for a little while. And the mind may wander to memories or worry. Maybe that one email you definitely should have replied to by now. That's okay, minds wander, it's their favourite hobby. Best just to label the thought, place it gently to one side and return to the breath. If you're feeling it, maybe bringing to mind our spiritual guide in the space in front of us. Perhaps imagining the presence of Buddha sitting in front of us. And we can say, I go for refuge to Buddha, Dharma and Sangha. Bringing to mind this simple truth. Everything we experience is changing. Every moment is new. Nothing is fixed. Thinking of difficult moments in your life, the ones we thought would last forever. They didn't. They changed. We changed. Thinking of the joyful moments, the ones we wished would last forever. They didn't. But their beauty came because they were temporary. Imagine trying to enjoy a sunset that lasted 12 hours, 24 hours. At what point do we say, all right, that's enough? It is the ever-changing light of the sunset that is its beauty. Impermanence is what gives life its flavour. So we can deepen the meditation now, bringing to mind something in your life that is changing. A relationship, a habit, the seasons, the stage of life we're at, even our own body. And without forcing anything, simply noticing, bringing to mind some change in our life, simply sitting with it. Just noticing with curiosity. Recognizing that change is not a failure, It is the nature of things. And if you're feeling it, we can reflect silently on these words. This moment is passing. This moment is precious. Let these words settle into the heart. This moment is passing. This moment is precious. Noticing how everything in our experience, our sensations and thoughts, emotions, are all moving and dissolving. Even the stillness is changing. Reflect further that impermanence means no pain lasts forever. No mistake defines us. No emotion is permanent. No situation cannot be resolved. And every moment is a chance to begin again. This is the gift of impermanence. So for a few breaths we silently repeat, I accept change. Letting these words become an intention. I accept change. And so, dedicating the positive energy we have created in our mind, we can say to ourselves these wishes: may I meet change with wisdom. meet endings with peace. May I meet each moment with an open heart. Then allowing the eyes to open when ready, letting the body stretch and have a little wriggle, do whatever it naturally wants to do, preferably something graceful, but there's no pressure here. Thank you for being here and practicing with me today. There are more meditations on the way. If you'd like to go deeper, there's the Patreon, link in the description. The intention is to have longer practices and much more exclusive content there, but it is all rather new. Feel free to visit my website at ramapani.com for more meditations and articles, spiritual goodies and stuff. Go well in peace.